Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change theme on Microsoft Surface Pro 9. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start, open a Settings. Here, navigate to Personalization. You can select the themes, and here's all of the themes that are pre-installed on this device. You can change between them by clicking on them. You can also click on Browse Themes to open your Microsoft Store, and you can find different themes right there. There's also option to save your current theme by clicking on the Save, and now we can name it. And it should be visible right here in the options as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.